Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to fix Snapchat Add Friends not working issue. First of all, you need to open your settings on your phone. Next, scroll down a bit and you can find your apps option in here. So, tap on it. Then, click on the Manage Apps option. Now you can find your Snapchat app among them and click on it. So finally you need to clear your app data and cache by clicking this clear data option and clear cache option in here. After clicking clear cache, give OK to the pop-up message. Now your Snapchat add friends option is must working. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.